Hi, welcome. So, I don't know how you're doing with this 5 days challenge. I love to see your comment. I'm amazed by all the fun we're having. And today we are talking about act of service and a way that I love to take care of myself and something that I want to share with you is taking care of myself, taking care of yourself through food, self care, act of service, being there for me, taking care of my body all at once. It must be the French girl in me. I'm not the one to take a frozen meal from the fridge, even though I might do it once in a while, but I love to cook for myself. So today, I hope you're going to join me in making a really nice salad, a winter salad, something that I love. And my stove is already on. So if you see that I'm moving that way, it's because I'm trying not to burn myself. I'm going to put some yummy mushrooms and some Belgium endives that I like. I was thinking about kale, and I love kale in my salad, but kale need to be massaged. Did you know that? Actually, sometimes kale is tough. It's because it's not massaged enough. So you need to give your kale some self-love before you can eat it, and it gives you the love back by being super tender and juicy. And I didn't have enough time to massage my kale. So I'm gonna be with Belgium endive, something that I love, that is from my childhood. I have some brown rice that I cooked a few days ago, and I have a persimmon, winter fruit, love that. So act of service today is to cook for myself. I don't know if I want to take you on this video with me because it can be more than 10 minutes. You don't have to do it. You don't have to watch the whole video unless you want to. But basically, I'm going to chop those mushrooms. I'm going to massage my kale. No, I see no kale for today. I'm going to cut my endive. I'm going to put a little bit of dressing, cook my mushroom, put it on the stove, and enjoy a wonderful little salad for lunch. So, what is your favorite act of service? Is it cooking for yourself a good meal? Is it actually washing your car? Something that I was thinking about doing as an act of service was to clean my closet. But this one is really a tough one for me. So maybe next time I do some self love, I will clean my closet. What is your way of giving yourself love through an act of service? Please put on the comment box just underneath this video. And let's see, what will I give you as a prize for today? I know. If you comment to this video, I will share with you. Are you ready? Drum roll again. I will share with you the recipe that I use for my absolutely best chocolate cake. So you can bake for yourself a yummy, delicious chocolate cake for self-love. How about that? So that will be my gift for you for today. So please, 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 10 minutes cooking for yourself for 10 minutes, or cleaning your room for 10 minutes, or washing your car for 10 minutes, or going fill up your tank of gas. This is all self-love. it's taking care of things that are important for you, your body, your house, your space, and it can be fun. So, guys, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna put my music on and start cooking. Bye. Have a wonderful day. I can't wait to read how you give yourself some self love today. Have a wonderful day. Bye.